everyone, my name is Vishal. Today I am making a simple code using HTML in a code app. Let's get started. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. First you have to go to Play Store and search a code app. I have already downloaded. You have to download it. The link of download is in the description box. Then you have to go to file manager. Then you have to create a new folder named HTML. Click on create. Open a code app. Click on three dots. Click on save as. Click on select folder. Click on add storage. Select folder. Select HTML. Allow. Click on OK. Click on HTML and save here. Rename it to index. One second. Index.html. Index I will always be capital. Click on OK. Next you have to write doc type HTML. Doc type HTML. Then write HTML. Then write title. I will write introduction to HTML. You can write anything that you want. Then you have to write h1 tag. Then you write body. Then h1 tag. And I will write welcome to my video. What you want to write, you can write there. Then you have to write h3 tag. I will write like, share and subscribe. That you have to do. You can write anything. Then you have to save. Click on save. Then click on play button. Click on OK. See, my web HTML screen runs. In the top it is written introduction to HTML. Then welcome to my video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.